will show you how to drive a car, and this is my Alto car, and this is the fastest selling car in the India. And today I will go through how to drive a car smoothly and efficiently. And I hope that you are also aware of the basic functionalities of the car, such as gear, clutch, and steering. Okay, now get back to the point. Now this is my gear, and these are the clutch pad, brake pad, and accelerator pad. First of all, we should start the car. Now I will try to show you how to drive a car. First of all, this is the key, and uh, you have to turn the key. You have to switch on the engine so that car can get started. And first, now now car is started, and I have to put the gear in the first gear. Now I will show you how to. First of all, you have to press the clutch so that we can push the gear in the first gear. Now you have to push the clutch full, and gently you have to press the first gear like this. Now car is in the first gear. Now you have to release the clutch and press the accelerator gently and slowly so that car can move forward. Okay, like this. Now you can see the car is going forward. Okay, so this is the first gear and car is moving in the first gear. The first gear is only used when we have to start the car and move the car from 0 to some speed. Okay, now we have to switch the gear to the second gear. Now again you have to press the clutch full, and gently you have to turn the second gear like this. How to change the gear, it is also mentioned on the gearbox. Now the car is moving and the car is in second gear. Okay, and now we want to change the gear. We have to move the gear in the third gear like this. Again you have to just push the clutch pad full like this, and you have to move the gearbox into third gear like this. Now the car is in third gear. Don't accelerate your car while changing the gear, otherwise the engine will make a vibrant sound. Okay, now you have to change the gear again to move the car very fast. Now you have to again press the clutch pad and move the gear into the fourth gear like this. Now the car is in fourth gear. Please remember that if your car is not in some momentum, don't use the upper gear or higher gear. If your car is in your car in speed, then change the gear to the higher gear, otherwise the engine will make some sound. Now the road is not proper here, so I will change the gear to the second gear. Okay, now I will also show you how to drive a car in reverse gear. Okay, now this is the best place to drive the car in reverse gear. I will show you how to drive a car in reverse gear. Now you have to drive the car in the reverse gear. First of all, you have to make it in neutral so that your wheels can become stationary. Now you have to change the reverse gear like this. You have to again press the clutch pad to the full and make a reverse gear like this. Now the car is in reverse position. Car is in reverse gear, and you have to again release the clutch pad and accelerate the car. Now the car is moving in reverse. You can see like this. So you have to be careful. You have to check the rear view, what is in obstruction at the back side, otherwise your car can bump to anything else and your car get injured. Okay, now we have to make a turn. Now I have shown you how to drive a car. I hope that you have enjoyed and you have learned a lot how to drive a car. I am sure that this video will help you how to drive a car. If you have gone through this video carefully, I think that you can drive a car if you have gone through this video properly. Now you can subscribe my channel and give a thumbs up to me. Okay friends, bye.